Welcome my dear students. Today our topic is natural vegetation of India part 2. Previous video I have already taught you part 1. Before I starting this chapter, I would like to some explain about this chapter. Students, natural vegetation of India, you know that natural vegetation are plants that have not been grown by human being. That means this type of plants, these types of flowers are grown naturally. There is no intervention of human body. There is no interference of human body. There is no compromise, no intervention of anybody. That is called natural. They are grown naturally. So let's start. The environmental factor affecting natural vegetation: variation amount rainfall, variation drive. It can be divided into 6 parts. 2 parts generally: based rainfall, based relief. Rainfall 4 factor, relief 4 factor. In previous class, I have read tropical evergreen forest, deciduous monsoon forest. Today, I would like to discuss desert and semi-desert, thorny scrub forest, mountain forest, and the mangrove and tidal littoral forests. For forest today I will discuss. So my dear students, desert and semi-desert vegetation. Desert and semi-desert. This area generally climate temperature is 25 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius with rainfall less than 25 centimeter. That means this area receives little rainfall. Especially where do we find this type of forest? Especially southeast Punjab, Rajasthan, dry part of Saurashtra, etc. That means, my dear students, you know Rajasthan state, it is the hottest state of our country, and there is a desert. Do you know? Can you tell me that name of desert? Third desert. Third desert is located in the state of Rajasthan. This area is very hottest, sandy area. Okay, so there is rainfall is very little. The trees do not grow comfortably. So species so that bubble that plum are found there. Bubble and that plum are found there. Bubble is the most important tree of the region. Also, there are some other trees are available. Kher also, cacti, date plum also available. But bubble is the most important tree of the region. You see through a picture, the desert and semi-vegetation of India. This type of, the leaves are very thin. This is desert. Okay. Second, fourth, scrub and thorny forest. Scrub and thorny forest. Temperature is 25 degree to 30 degrees Celsius. Rainfall is less than 100 centimeter area. 100 centimeter area. Northwest past also. Northwest past. This area is north. This is south. This is eastern zone. This is western zone. This is north western zone. Northwest part of country. Northwest part, but on the other hand, desert and semi-desert vegetation are found there less area. Desert and semi-desert vegetation occupied less area, but scrub and thorny forest cover large area. Temperature 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. On the other hand, desert and semi-desert there is 25 to 27, but only difference there is 25 centimeter rainfall, but scrub and thorny forest 100 centimeter rainfall. Precious here is the most important tree found here. It provides material for making dates and telling wild dates also common. Scroll and thorny forest. You see through a picture this type of trees is found there. Fifth, mountain forest. Mountain forest, my dear students, everybody aware about Himalaya mountain, the great Himalaya mountain. This is located here. So some mountain found eastern side of our country, western side of our country. Temperature less than 20 degrees Celsius. Temperature less than 20 degrees Celsius. Less than 20 degrees. High altitude. That means altitude. Altitude, height, high altitude. I know, you know, the Himalaya mountain height 6,000 meter, approximately 6 kilometer. Here is 1500 meter to 3,300 meter. Rainfall is between 150 to 250. 150 to 250. North mountain and south mountain characteristics. North mountain, it is south mountain. South mountain. Mountain forest is available there. Mountain forest consists of mixed deciduous and coniferous forest. This forest is mixed of amalgamation of deciduous and coniferous forest. Deodar and silver tree. Deodar is the important tree of the region. It's deodar. Its wood is oily, durable and scanted. It is used for railway sleeper. It is used for railway sleeper. And also house construction. It is found in the Himachal Pradesh in Kashmir. Himachal. Deodar is the very important tree of the region. Deodar tree is found Himachal Pradesh and Kashmir. Cricket bed also construction deodar wood. Then fifth, tidal and mangrove. This is mountain forest. Okay. Mountain region. Here is mountain forest. High altitude. Tidal and mangrove forest. Here student, temperature is about 26 degrees Celsius to 29 degrees Celsius. Rainfall more than 200 centimeters. That means, you know, everybody aware about Maisinram. My dear students, do you know Maisinram? Maisinram is located in the state of Meghalaya. It is the hottest. It is distance from 16 km from Cherrapunji. It is the hottest place of the world. Hottest place, Maisinram. So, temperature about 26 degrees Celsius, 29 degrees Celsius. Rainfall more than 200 centimeters. Location Delta region, estuary area. Delta region. My dear students, you know Sundarban Delta. This is mountain region, Eastern Ghat, Western Ghat. Ganga mountain region, 3 Ganga, Brahmaputra and Indus. Here is peninsula, river system, mountain, Himalayan river system. So my dear students, Sundarban tidal and mangrove forest is found. Mangroves are found there. Delta region, Sundarban Delta. Here is found tidal mangrove forest. Also some Eastern Ghat, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. Here also found eastern side of river, they make delta, but on the other hand western side of river they do not make delta, they form estuary. You know, Narmada and Tapti river do not form delta, they form estuary. Here also found tidal mangrove forest. Okay, we found here Kashmir to Assam. Sundarban Delta is found there in West Bengal. Also found there tidal mangrove forest here and here. You see through a picture. This is tidal mangrove forest. This is see tidal mangrove forest is there.